I was very heartbroken. The first week that I got out, I was so heartbroken and I felt very hurt and betrayed because I did not expect that. Jate jate bhi I've just given, all of everyone compliments and, especially Riva. So I was very heartbroken.
There is God syndrome inside Kushal
Yeah.
Tandon. Like he thinks he's the king of all.
Also, I felt very low. I felt like nothing. I felt like just because I'm not a big personality, I don't have somebody who's that big of a personality or that big of connections. You cannot treat anybody
Yeah.
low.
He is, appearing to be a male chauvinist
Yeah.
inside the show.
यार मेरा तो मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था and I knew it for a fact that he would never speak the same way with Riva Kishan or Mini Mathur because he knows that who these people are connected to or who they are.
Kushal reminded you of your father.
When I'm getting to the gist of him that reminded me of my dad was the fact that the way he sees women in that context. जिस तरीके से वो मुझसे बात करते थे उनके दिमाग में ये था कि ये लड़की है, ठीक है, तो I don't even have to give a फिर ऊपर से मुझे एरी गैरी नथु गैरी बोलना, I feel like and walk out कर जाना, बार-बार walk out कर जाना. That shows that you don't even consider this person on the same level. He doesn't respect women, basically. So that was a flashback. When I got out, oh my god, the next day I've cried my heart out in front of my mom because मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा cheap लग रहा था अंदर से. I felt like I am a nobody. What is this classist behavior,
Yeah.
कि तुम एक्टिंग कम्युनिटी से हो तो तुम यहाँ हो, मैं कंटेंट क्रिएटर हूँ. उसका मानना ही था ये सबके बारे में कि ये कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स ना ये यहाँ है. जो भी हो, टेक अ स्टैंड फॉर योरसेल्फ. तुम डरती थोड़ी ना हो किसी से वहाँ पे. एंड ऑलवेज स्पीक योर ट्रुथ. अगर कोई बदतमीजी करे तो वापस बदतमीजी करना है. ये कोई होल्ड बैक नहीं करना है. ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से ही देना है.
If there was one contestant inside Alliance whose aura screamed main character energy only, then it has to be Dolly Javed. And she might be out of the show, but she literally was there like a boss babe, and we loved watching her. Dolly, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the compliments.
You're most welcome. When you got out, we were a little upset, but that entire speech, आपने सबका दिल जीत लिया उस speech से, because it was like हमारी सबकी बात आप वहाँ बोल के आए हो. What was going on in your head when you just that entire monologue? There should be a movie on it.
Oh my god, you won't believe. So when I उस हफ्ते हमें एक टास्क मिला था जिसमें हमें सब कंटेस्टेंट्स की फोटो दी गई थी. तो मेरे माइक में कुशाल की फोटो रहती थी. सो मैंने वो मोनोलॉग पहले प्रिपेयर कर लिया था कि मैं कुशाल की फोटो फाड़ूंगी, ये बोलूंगी, वो बोलूंगी. बट उसी दिन मैं फोटो डालना भूल गई अपने माइक के अंदर. एंड आई वाज लाइक शिट. बट चलो, मोनोलॉग मेरा ऑलरेडी मेरे दिमाग में रेडी था बिकॉज आई न्यू कि आई माइट गो आउट दिस वीक.
But were you a little heartbroken? बाहर आके आपको पता चलेगा that sisterhood didn't work out really. But did you feel betrayed कि आप निकले उस हफ्ते?
I was very heartbroken. The first week that I got out, I was so heartbroken and I felt very hurt and betrayed because I did not expect that. Jate jate bhi I've just given, all of everyone compliments and, especially Riva. So I was very heartbroken.
What do you have to say to Riva right now if you met her?
See, honestly, अगर मैं उस हफ्ते मिलती, I would have really said something else. But now I feel like I won't talk to her at this point right now. I might be cordial if she meets me and वो hi बोलती, I'll say hi. But I would have no conversation apart from that.
We're of course watching the show as audience members, so you will be a better person to tell me this, but I can see there is God syndrome inside Kushal Tandon. Like he thinks he's the king of all, and it's not a very pleasant thing to watch. It's honestly kind of, I'm getting second-hand embarrassment watching him. How he controls people.
Yeah.
How was it going with you? आपको कभी भी ऐसा लगा कि मैं intimidate हो रही हूँ उससे?
I would say that these are like such deep feelings that I have where, of course, I felt intimidated, but I also knew that I have to take a stand for myself no matter what. I might get intimidated. It's, that Rihanna energy where it's like fake it till you make it. Yeah. So I do have that energy. So I knew that I have to take a stand for myself. And मैंने कुछ गाली नहीं बकी, मैंने कुछ बदतमीजी, उस जितना वो बोल रहे थे मैं बदतमीजी कर रही हूँ, मैं तो गेम प्ले के वर्ड्स में बात कर रही थी. सो आई न्यू दैट what I have to say and how I have to say it. So I am just glad that I said it.
Absolutely, as you should, you know. And there was this VT where he says that अरे लड़कियों की तरह, for Ali he says लड़कियों
Oh,
की तरह खेल रहा है. He is, you know, appearing to be a male chauvinist
yeah.
inside the show, the way he's treating women also in general, and very selectively. कुछ
Yes.
कुछ के साथ he knows
Very
कि I
nice.
have to maintain
Yeah,
my
yeah, yeah.
boundary. Maybe कुछ mutual benefit है, I don't know. But did you, whenever you felt disrespected by him, what was going on in your head?
यार मेरा तो मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था एंड आई न्यू इट फॉर अ फैक्ट दैट ही वुड नेवर speak the same way with Riva Kishan or Mini Mathur because he knows that who these people are connected to or who they are. So I felt very low. I felt like nothing. I felt like just because I'm not a big personality, you know, I don't have somebody who's that big of a personality or that big of connections. You cannot treat anybody
Yeah.
low. Nobody's lower, nobody's higher. In a reality show, especially, you know. And I also felt like अपनी सच्चाई इतना क्यों बाहर ला रहे हो? थोड़ा फेक ही कर लो कैमरा के लिए, तुम्हारे लिए बेटर रहेगा.
You know, the fact that you and him were on the same reality show says so much, and that's why I think respect is bare minimum.
Yes.
कोई भी हो, we should respect that
Yeah.
person, and I think when that is lacking, it's not a very good place
Yeah.
to be. But that being said, there were so many triggering points for
Yeah.
you also related to your personal life trauma that you've been through, and you've spoken about it. You know, when you were bearing your heart out on a reality show, subconsciously were you also feeling ki, is this, you know, should I be saying or should I just hold back?
You know, in a reality show, whenever I do a reality show, I know for a fact that I say whatever comes in my mind. I don't hold back. It's also because the type of family that I am a part of, my family is super chill and we don't have such restrictions. You know, we're a really chill family. हमें कंट्रोल नहीं करना पड़ता कि ये मत बोलो कैमरा पे बुरा लगेगा, ऐसे टाइप में हमें दिखना है कैमरा पे. So I think it's such a good part, you know, that I don't hold back. And मेरे दिमाग में यही है, in a reality show, show all of your emotions and जो feel हो रहा है उसको बाहर लाओ. Why should I control? You know, just for the cameras, I should control. I'm not going to do much for the camera, like too much or too low also कि मैं control करूँ. I was just being my authentic self, and this is what I have always been advised by the family as well. Just be whoever you
Yeah.
are. So I think that's the best part.
You know, there was a statement which of course went everywhere outside, where you said that Kushal reminded you of your father. What gist did you say that in? Because when you get those flashbacks that are not very pleasant, of course, especially in a reality show, you don't feel very good. So what part of him did scare you so
Yes.
much that you were reminded of your past?
Yeah, I'm so glad that you've asked me that question because a lot of people are like, oh, you cannot say that he reminded you of your dad, blah, blah, blah. Of
What?
course, I can
Yeah,
say
you
that.
can't say that.
And exactly where I'm getting to, the gist of him that reminded me of my dad was the fact that the way he sees women in that context. जिस तरीके से वो मुझसे बात करते थे, उनके दिमाग में ये था कि ये लड़की है, ठीक है, तो I don't even have to give I don't even have to address her words. पहली बार जब मेरा उनसे झगड़ा होता है and I go and confront him, he walks out. मैंने बहुत नॉर्मली उनसे क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि आपने ऐसा ऐसा बोला है. He walks out. He could have handled that more maturely, but मुझे उनकी आंखों में दिख रहा था कि he does not even see me as an equal person. That's why he doesn't want to have this conversation with me. फिर ऊपर से मुझे एरी गैरी नथु गैरी बोलना, you know, I feel like, you know, and walk out कर जाना, बार बार walk out कर जाना. That shows that you don't even consider this person on the same level. You know, in that way, I think I really could feel that, yeah, he doesn't respect women, basically. So that was a flashback.
Did you ever inside have this breakdown, especially when that one incident happened where you were trying to talk to him and he just stormed off,
Yeah.
which was so disrespectful to even watch? How can you do that? And जब आप out हुए और वो आपका episode था, when you were giving that monologue also, that smirk, that negative smirk on his face was so annoying, and he did not speak up at all.
Yeah.
So it was like he was trying
Rage
to
baiting.
trying to
Yeah.
pull you down and rage bait you.
Yeah.
Were you like, did you have any mental breakdown inside when all of this was happening?
Honestly, when I got out, I think heat of the moments में इतना चीजें होती हैं ना reality show में, you
हाँ.
feel things but you're not able to feel them properly. When I got out, Oh my God, the next day I've cried my heart out in front of my mom because मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा cheap लग रहा था अंदर से. I felt like I am a nobody. To feel like you are a nobody,
Yeah.
you know that आप equally नहीं हो. You know, I feel like I felt like that कि ये लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऊपर है और मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा कोई you know पता नहीं कहाँ से आ गई हूँ. ऐसा मतलब मुझे दिखाना. So I felt really bad कि यार what is this behavior? What is this classist behavior?
Yeah.
You know कि तुम एक्टिंग कम्युनिटी से हो तो तुम यहाँ हो, मैं कंटेंट क्रिएटर हूँ. उसका मानना ही था ये सबके बारे में कि ये कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स ना ये यहाँ है. Which I feel like what the hell are you saying, yeah? It's just a very bad thinking about anyone. It
Yeah.
shows about your personality in real life
Exactly.
also.
That is true. I just want to take this moment and tell you that honestly, आप उससे दबे नहीं, which
Thank
is your
you.
win, because so
Thank you.
many strong women like Minnie Mathur, you know, and I have no qualms of saying it in front of the camera क्योंकि I considered her a very strong woman,
Yeah.
but the way she played, it was you know disgusting for me to see. और अगर उनको लग रहा है कि वो अपने 20 साल छोटे बच्चों के साथ ऐसा करेंगे and you know they'll get away with it and it's cool, it's
Yeah.
not, it's embarrassing. So I think that is your win.
Thank you so much.
I'm so sorry that you felt this way and somebody
Oh, of
made
course.
you feel.
Thank
but
you so
yeah,
much.
but this is your win. So many people are
Thank
coming,
you.
media is supporting you. So
Thank you.
you're welcome. But you know, talking about the other people like Arsalan or Minnie or Nikhil, pehle abhi to of course they are also realizing things.
Yeah.
But when they made that entire group and they were trying to show other people down and not really talk nicely, did you ever think कि जो भी कुशाल के गुड बुक्स में रहेगा सिर्फ वही ही आगे जाएगा? ऐसा है?
Yes, definitely. See, I did not even know that these four had a pact. वो तो
Yeah.
मुझे बाहर आके पता चला है. But I knew for a fact that कोई तो game चल रहा है इनके अंदर, कुछ खिचड़ी चल रही है
Yeah.
maybe. But I knew for a fact, मैंने तो बोला भी है कि just because मैं आपको follow नहीं कर रही हूँ, आपकी puppet नहीं बन रही हूँ, that's why you are against me. No, the moment somebody is like नहीं मैं ये नहीं करूँगा तुम्हारे हिसाब से, इतनी छोटी ईगो है, उसकी ईगो हर्ट हो जाती है कि कैसे नहीं चलेगा ये गेम में मेरे हिसाब से. Bro, everybody is here to play their own game. They're not going to follow your orders. Firstly, though, you have to request people
Exactly.
or talk nicely to them. You are not doing either of these things. Why will people follow you? I was also very disappointed with Minnie Ma'am when I came outside, in the sense of like what she said that, oh, we are using his bullying tactics as an advantage.
Yeah.
Because I feel like see, gameplay mein you want me out, that is a different thing. But if you know that he's calling me an era gera nathu gera or whatever, then you are like, oh, हम तो ये advantage के लिए use कर रहे हैं ना. That was not nice.
You know, your bond with Vanshaj इतना ज़्यादा नहीं दिखाया, but you've spoken about it in interviews. That was really sweet. And how was that like? And abhi bhi, of course, it will continue.
Yeah, I feel like Vanshaj, we have been friends for 1.5 years, so he has known Urfi before me.
Okay.
So like my bond with him is so you know like sweet, and I think Vanshaj off camera is a very different person. This is, we both say that about each other, that
Yeah.
off camera we both are very different. I've seen the real side of Vanshaj. He's a very mature person,
Wow.
which nobody would agree to, but he's very mature. I've
Yeah.
seen that mature side of him, and I think our friendship is definitely going to get stronger after this. We are going to make a
Absolutely.
group called We Hate Kushal Tandon.
You know, that being said, what was your family's reaction? I saw that video where, you know, Urfi was there and Asfi was there, and you come inside and they're like
Yeah.
fully shocked कि कैसे
Yes,
आप
yes.
बाहर आ गए. And honestly, we were also surprised कि इतने बहुत लोग थे
Very
जिनको जाना
undeserving
चाहिए था.
people,
Yeah,
yeah.
अभी भी. So
Yeah.
I'm like कैसे हो गया ये? But what were their reaction? Your mom's reaction? सबका क्या reaction था?
You know, my family was very pissed at Kushal for treating me the way that he did, because I was constantly crying. So the more I was crying, the more emotional they were feeling. In fact, my mom has not even watched my episodes where I've cried. मेरी मम्मी बहुत emotional है. So mummy is like, I am not going to watch these episodes only. How dare he treat you like that? And she cries when I cry.
Oh,
So she
God.
could not even watch those episodes. So everybody was really emotional for me, and everybody felt like, but they were happy in the sense of, good, you took a stand.
Yeah.
We don't care if you're out in 2
Exactly.
weeks. At least you took a stand for yourself. निकालना है निकाल दे, क्या करेगा? तुमने तो अपना stand लिया तब बाहर हुई हो, सुन के नहीं आई हो किसी का.
And you know, उर्फी ने जब भी बिग बॉस किया था वो भी 1 week में out हो गई थी.
Yeah.
But look at the impact.
Yeah.
People still remember her. And I
Yeah.
think that is something that has happened with you also.
Yes.
You and Vanshaj both actually.
Yeah.
क्योंकि आप लोग का exit बहुत ही एक dramatic way में
Dramatic
हुआ.
था.
And you all also made sure कि आप बोल के निकलो.
Yeah.
So what was Urfi's advice before you entered, and what did she tell you once you came out?
Her advice whenever I'm going to a reality show is first thing is just enjoy while the moment lasts, and no matter what happens, it's not the end of the world.
True.
The other thing that she advises me is, especially before this show, I was like, itne sare log honge, you know, and I'm going to be the youngest. Even with Vanshaj, I was like, Vanshaj, we're going to be the youngest people. They're going to target us, you know, and everything. And he was so like, अरे ये कर देंगे, वो कर देंगे. But Urfi said that, जो भी हो, टेक अ स्टैंड फॉर योरसेल्फ. तुम डरती थोड़ी ना हो किसी से वहां पे. एंड ऑलवेज स्पीक योर ट्रुथ. अगर कोई बदतमीजी करे तो वापस बदतमीजी करना है. ये कोई होल्ड बैक नहीं करना है. ईट का जवाब पत्थर से ही देना है.
Amazing, amazing. But now, of course, you have done 2 reality shows, and Follow Kar Lo Yaar was also reality.
Captive
only,
reality,
हाँ.
yeah. No, it was not a captive reality, yeah.
So, what path do you want to go to now? You have a lot of experience in dealing with people.
Yeah.
So, Abhi, what do you want to explore more in your career?
I would say that there are so many things that अभी तो मेरी journey सिर्फ start हुई है. Yeah. I'm just going to concentrate on content creation, I would say. And luckily for me, things just happen. These reality shows just naturally happen. I don't plan them कि ये करना है, ऐसे करना है, ऐसे करना है. I give the audition. You know, वो cancel हो जाता है. Even for Alliance, me and Urfi, we were supposed to go together.
Oh.
नहीं होने वाला था. Because Urfi का कुछ और काम आ गया था.
अच्छा.
So she said कि मैं नहीं जा पाऊंगी.
Oh, shit.
So we were supposed to go together,
Yeah.
and nothing. And then a few days before it was supposed to start, we like found Vanshaj, or Vanshaj found me,
Oh, wow.
and we went together. So it was not even supposed to happen for me. So everything has just happened for me. So I think I just go with the flow.
I love your voiceover reels that you make
Thank
on
you.
Instagram.
Thank
Please
you so
continue
much.
making those.
Thank you.
But you know, that being said, of course, the kind of industry that we're in, the media, the acting, content creation, everything, you know, this artistic world, it's very competitive.
Yeah.
And when you enter as a young person, especially who doesn't have like strong family background, like of course Urfi is there, but she's also from your
Yes,
generation, right?
yes.
Not like your mom and dad were
Yeah,
actors or
yeah.
anything. It becomes even more difficult because jitna bhi log bole, having a godfather in this industry really helps.
Yes.
And really, you know, makes
Yeah.
you ahead. Do you ever feel a little, you know, scared, or do you ever feel कि okay, ये बहुत ही competitive field है मेरे लिए?
All the time. I feel like this is the reality of being in a content creation, or like even going to reality
Yeah.
shows. I always feel like it's so competitive, and I always feel like, you know, like I don't know how people are going to react to me, or just you know, respect me or not. You know, वही बात आ जाती है ना, that people are always going to respect a certain someone who has a certain someone, but it's not always, people are not as accepting, you know, sometimes people like Kushal, but at the same time there are such nice people also. So you know, there are pros and cons. I do get my lows where I'm like, oh shit, you know, but at the same time there are people in my life who have to remind me that look at the positives.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is true. Who was the nicest inside Alliance?
Nicest inside a, यार मुंह पे तो सभी अच्छे थे.
But आपकी vibe जैसे जिसके साथ
यार
हो
मेरी वाइब ना बहुत लोगों से मैच हुई है. मेरी सिर्फ एक इंसान से वाइब नहीं मैच हुई है. मेरी बाकी सबसे मैच हुई है जेन्युइनली. आई फील लाइक देयर आर लॉट ऑफ मोमेंट्स जो ऑब्वियसली नहीं दिख, 24 आवर्स में सिर्फ 1 घंटा दिखाया जा रहा है, बट आई हैड सच अ गुड बॉन्ड विद एवरीवन. यू नो, मैं नीति का हर दिन मेकअप करती थी. वी
Oh,
हैड दैट बॉन्ड. आई
wow.
यूज्ड टू डू नीति's makeup every day.
So
I used to
cute.
do her hair and I used to do her
Yeah.
makeup. It was you know, all confirmed. Dilbar and I, we used to talk a lot. Payal se bhi, you know, I used to talk a lot to Payal. Arman, sweetheart.
Huh.
I love him. He's such a sweetheart. I used to talk so much to him. We have
Yeah.
had such heartful conversations. I love that guy.
Wow. But you know, there was one more controversy or whatever happened
Yeah.
inside when Kushal and Zaid were chilling
Yeah.
together in the gym area, and he said, "इसको मेरी सारी पुरानी चीज पसंद
Yeah.
आती है," referring to Gauhar.
Yeah.
Now Bahar इस चीज पे काफी बवाल हुआ that Zaid didn't take a stand.
Yeah.
I feel Zaid is so secure in as a man.
I said the same thing.
Yeah, and
I
with
said
his
the same thing.
relationship with Gauhar, and
Yeah.
I know Gauhar Zaid both personally, they are
Yeah.
the sweetest couple ever.
I
And the
said the same
realest.
thing.
Really?
Yeah, I said the
I
same
think because
thing.
everyone who knows them knows this about
Yeah.
them, that I feel
Hmm.
Zaid didn't have to prove a point.
Bro,
he
I
knows
said the
she's
same
his
thing.
woman. Wow.
Like we have such a connection in this
Oh my
interview. It's crazy.
God.
I said the same thing in every interview. So even after going out, I've appreciated one person in the house, and that is Zaid Bhai.
Yeah.
So he did support me when I was like, shouting at Kushal and everything. He took me aside. He was like, "Dolly, jo tum kari ekdam sahi kar rahi ho. Don't hold back." While everyone was like, "नहीं मत चिल्लाओ मत चिल्लाओ." He was like, "जो बोलना है बोलो यार. तुम्हें बोल रहा है तो तुम क्यों नहीं बोलोगी?" And I feel like Zaid Bhai is just very humble, and he doesn't want unnecessary kalesh.
Drama, yeah.
He doesn't want that. He's not the kind of person who's going to do it for the camera. He can handle things so maturely. He's amazing. And even Gauhar ma'am texted me, so it was so sweet, and they're such nice, humble people.
Yeah.
Very
Very
humble,
humble.
very nice, very loving. They're not kaleshi.
I swear.
And I feel like not everything needs to be, like reacted in such a, oh my god, meri ego hurt ho gayi, that man ego and everything. It's just a very secure guy.
Yeah.
He's very secure with his masculinity, his family, his ego,
Exactly.
everything.
Yeah.
Such men like Zaid should be more, out there.
Definitely, yes,
You
yes, absolutely. I think Zaid is also like, he doesn't have that male ego.
Oh yeah.
He's so in touch with
Oh,
his
yeah.
feminine side
Oh,
also
yeah.
that उनको नहीं फर्क
Yeah.
पड़ा ये bullshit का,
Yeah.
honestly.
And I love that about him. I love that. He's such a nice guy. पूरे घर में वो सबका ख्याल रखते थे, सबसे इतने प्यार से बात करते थे. In fact, वहाँ पे बहुत ठंडी थी, मेरे पास कुछ पहनने को नहीं था, बिकॉज मैं तो सब अपने अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े लेके गई थी. He is the first person who gave me his hoodie, and I still have it.
So
And
sweet.
I didn't ask him. खुद ही से मेरे पास एक सिलेक्शन लाए हुडीज का कि कौन सी हुडी लेनी है, सिलेक्ट करो. सो ही गेव मी हिज हुडी आल्सो. वेरी नाइस. आई लव हिम.
Chivalry is not dead.
Yeah.
Only if there were more men like them.
Yeah.
But that being said, of course, now that you've had this experience and you've honestly learned so much new things also.
Yes.
What is that one takeaway, one good takeaway that you've had from Alliance?
One good takeaway is that do not ever doubt yourself, because I was really doubting myself
Yeah.
inside जब सब मुझसे आके बोल रहे थे कि डॉली तुम्हें ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए, वो नहीं बोलना चाहिए, and everybody told me अपनी टोन नीची करो, तुम बहुत ऊंची टोन में बात कर रही हो. और मैं कैमरास पे अब देख रही हूँ, I'm like, मेरी टोन ऊंची कहाँ थी, इतनी ऊंची थी नहीं अभी, तुमने तो मेरी बहनों को नहीं देखा है फिर. So I feel like don't ever doubt yourself. Always take a stand for yourself.
Absolutely, I agree. And the way you've played this game with dignity, taking
Thank
your
you.
stand, it was commendable for
Thank
your
you.
age also.
Thank you so much.
But on that note, thank you so much for
Thank
joining
you.
in. I hope to see you do so much good work in the
Thank
future.
you so much. Thank you. Hi, this is Dolly Javed, and you are watching me on FPJ Showbiz.